Yo, what is good guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be exposing my complete meme coin deving strategy for you guys from start to finish. Most people are out here losing thousands of dollars trading meme coins every single month, but I am on the complete opposite of that strategy. Instead of losing thousands of dollars by trading, I create my own coins and make hundreds of thousands of dollars by doing that instead. In this video, I will be showing you step by step on how to find a narrative, how to launch your coin, how to cash out clean. Everything will be done live on camera with a real example. Like, subscribe, and let's get straight to it. And bro, I am not making this video to sell a course or to promote some shitty affiliate link or to promote some shitty product. I'm genuinely making this video to show you how I make all my money from deving. That's it, that's all, let's go. Now obviously bro, there is a specific reason to why I hate trading, and that's because the whole game is rigged. The market is rigged, and most of these coins, okay, when you buy them, they just end up going to zero and they get completely rugged. For this exact reason bro, I completely stopped trading and wasting my money buying these coins, and I started creating them, because the truth is that in 2026, okay, the devs are making more money than the traders. You can fact check that for me if you want. You can ask anybody. It's a fact, it's the truth. Because we as devs, what we're doing is we're creating coins, right, based out of our narratives, and then we cash out when we're at the top and we sell our entire supply, and that's exactly why most of these coins go to zero. It's because of the creators of these coins. Now, it costs nothing to create a coin, and that's exactly what makes deving so profitable. All you have to do is find a strategy for deving that works, and then you can just rinse and repeat that method over and over again. And that's exactly why I am making this video. I will be exposing my personal creating deving strategy, and I will show you how to use it live. Let's go. And by the way bro, everything in this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. And yeah bro, now, a lot of people in this space, okay, when they start deving, they make their coins on Pump.Fun, and they will even say that the only way to make money is by launching on Pump.Fun, but they're completely wrong, or they're just lying to you. Pump.Fun is oversaturated. It's actually the worst platform to launch on because there's like hundreds of thousands of coins coming out every single day, and most of these coins are straight bullshit. They get no buyers, no attention, and you know, you have no chances of making money if you are just deving on Pump.Fun. Okay, on top of that, you don't even control your coins because it's Pump.Fun that does, not you. And that's exactly why I launch all my meme coins, okay, on the migrated section on Radium. It's the same exact thing. By launching your coins on Radium, your meme coins gain more attention, more buyers, and more credibility. Okay, most people that are trenching are looking in the migrate section because here are the coins that usually runs. Like, look at this, the most recent coin, okay, went to a $40,000 market cap. It is kind of dead, but it is proof of concept that coins on Radium do get buyers more than Pump.Fun. And yeah, to launch your Radium bro, you have to be using Memecoin.io. It's the best launchpad in my opinion for Radium. Every single coin that you make here will go to Radium. It will migrate and it will possibly get a bunch of buyers based on the narrative. That's why people are gatekeeping it. And actually creating a coin is really easy. Just follow along. You would either create your own coin from scratch, right, with your own viral narrative, or you can vamp coins. I made all my money from vamping coins. Here's exactly why. Instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch and testing your luck on a brand new coin to Radium, you can just copy a coin that is going viral on Pump.Fun and launch it to Radium, and you will be using that narrative to get a bunch of buyers. Okay, and that's exactly the strategy of vamping coins. Once you vamp a coin, it will do a complete duplicate. It will copy the coin, symbol, links, narrative, everything will be duped, okay, and relaunched to Radium. That's exactly what we are going to do. So yeah bro, let's make some money. Let me show you how to dev right now. Connect your Phantom wallet, that's the first step, or MetaMask or Solana or anything you use. And now copy a coin. I just choose one that I like, I mean just randomly. So this one, Gooby coin, I chose it completely from random. Okay, click on the copy button. In the block, right? That's completely normal. Every launchpad will get this block, okay? Not just this one. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, and then click on confirm again, and the coin will be created shortly. Come on. Boom, it's minted. If I go on SoScan, right, it's live, it's legit. You guys can go check, okay? Everything is legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create the random liquidity pool. It's basically like the perimeters behind your coin. It's the backbone of your coin. You need to do this if you want your coin to go to radium. Now for the first step, okay, click on 90% for the allocation of the supply. For the amount of SOL, here is where you will be buying in your own coin as a creator, as a dev, before everyone else. Put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.8 SOL, okay? And this is not a fee, not a loss, nothing, okay? You will get it back at the end. And now obviously for the next step, just click on create pool. Your phantom wallet is going to show up shortly. Just wait. Ignore the block, right? Every launch file, like I said, it will get the same exact block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on refresh and then scroll down, wait, and bang, it's live. Now people are able to see your coin, buy it, okay, wherever they are, okay, and your PNL is going to be right there. And if you want to see how much you're up, bro, just click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, for example, we are up to 50 on this coin at this very moment within like 20 to 30 seconds. This is insane. This is proof that your coin that you copied is doing well. Now go on your trading platform of preference. It can be something else if you want, not just Axiom or Photon. But yeah, the coin is live. Okay, we're already up like 200 bucks right here. Now we're up like 400, $500. I'm not even sure. Oh my god, it's pumping so much. Guys, we're already up like $1,000 if I had to guess. This is insane, okay? I love deving for this exact reason. More and more people are going to start seeing the coin soon. And just, it's gonna rip. Just wait. Like, this is insane, bro. Insane volume. Like, bro, what? It's pumping so much. Now all you have to do is wait and let your coin ride. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we are up so much on this coin as a dev. Let's cash out our supply, bro. So come back to memecreate.io, and obviously, bro, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, we're up $2.45,000. This is sweet, okay, from this meme coin within like 10 minutes if I had to guess, okay. Now look, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your phantom wallet is going to show up right here. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, I just showed you exactly how to dev, okay, the entire method from start to finish. That felt so good, bro. Bang, 2.4 bands straight inside my phantom wallet. It's legit, guys. I'm not even capping, I'm not larping, okay. It's in my phantom wallet. It's undeniable, okay. Now memecreate.io will be linked down below or in the description, bro. Good luck, and you have to be consistent. You have to be launching multiple coins for one coin to hit and go viral. So good luck, subscribe, and peace out. And if you do want to win 5 Solana like this lucky winner right here, just like, comment, and subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below to enter the giveaway. Good luck.